Startup checking video of Abdullah Kneader latest model of 3.5 kg. Model number is AE390. Being checked for a Daraz order on 20th January 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, and a warranty booklet. This is the carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. Then we pack the machine in brown sheet, followed by bubble wrap, and then we paste the fragile stickers on it so that it is safely transported. The machine is okay from all the sides. You can see from the bottom also. You can see the other sides. This is the back side. Now we will start the machine. Here you can see the machine has started. This is high top model AE390, which has a lower sound value than the regular model of AE900. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. Abdullah is the top manufacturer of dough kneading machines in Pakistan. This is the genuine carton of the machine. It's a sturdy machine, and people are using Abdullah dough kneaders since 10 years now, more than 10 years. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped when the timer came to the off position, and now we will pack it for Daraz. Safe packaging.